Yes. Yes. Very late, Mommy's home. We went to Auntie Minnie. Come here, Bobby. We went to Auntie Minnie and you smell Aisha on my clothes. That's Aisha smell. Huh? Auntie Minnie's dog. Huh? Come, Bobby. Come, Bobby. Come, Bobby. Bobby. My baby, baby, baby. My baby, baby, baby. My little baby, baby. My little baby, baby. Aww, that's not good. My little baby, baby. My little baby. Eh? What you smell, buddy? Did you smell Aisha? Huh? Oh, you smell Aisha, buddy. Come. Come to mommy. Oh. Hello, guys. Our mom is home. Sit. Daisy, come here. Come here. Look at you there, so cutie. Look at you there. Look at you. Very cute.